What's up, guys? Aaron here. Catch us outside. Been waiting to get this item for a little bit. Mostly because I don't like to spend money on stuff. So I saw this review a while back from Gideon's Taktil, and I was like, "There's no way." And then he was like, "Dude, there's definitely a way." And so Swiss Tech is an American company operating out of Arkansas. And so the first chance I had to get it, I was going to get it. And so here it is. Already opened it and looked at it for a minute to see what was what. First of all, the packaging. They did a really great job on. So yeah, here it is. D2 steel, super duper heavy. It's pretty heavy. It's a big knife. So this is like bushcraft meets camp knife kind of thing. 10.2, 10 and a quarter inches, I think, overall. What does it say right there? And then blades 5.5. So pretty stinking awesome. It's got their Taktil surface on it. It's like etched. Almost cut myself just then. Feels great. Micarta handle. I don't think they had the little bow drill out in the version he did, so they're still innovating as well, I guess. So you could start a fire or an ember with a bow starting aid, and then move the ember to your little fire spot. Hammer on the end. Really impressed by the knife and the packaging. And then it's got this guy. This is hard with one hand. I guess I should have thought that through, but oops. Clicks in really nice. Pivoting belt loop. It's a big knife, dude. Looking forward to that. You could essentially set it how you wanted on your belt. Came with a little bit of this string to tie off the end toward your leg if you're wearing it down, or in scout form as well. Really super impressed. Love, again, that it's American made. It tells a little bit about their story. That's all about the knife. This is the Kraftig. Their bushcraft meets camp knife. So this is definitely going in the kit. And then from there, I imagine we'll get some pretty good use out of it. All right. I think it was $44 still on Walmart, which that's what blows me away the most. So pretty cool. Pretty cool. But we'll get some use at it, and then we'll do an update.